Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video, and I know I've done one close, but maybe not all of them. And this might not be all of them if I think any more. 5 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways to make a duplicate or a copy of an item. The first one is the space bar. If we start moving this over and then hit the space bar, where every time I hit the space bar, it makes a duplicate copy of the original. That's pretty, neat when you're just trying to make some random dots or random any shape. The other one is the plus key on your keyboard. Off your numerical pad, there's a plus key. If I hit the plus key, it makes a copy right on top, and I can move it over. And I can hit it like 3 times. And move it over, and move it over, and move it over, and it made copies of it. I use the plus key a lot, more so than I use Control D anymore, because I'm going to skip this one, but go to Control D and make a duplicate. And then if I move it over here, and then I make a Control D, it's pretty good that it does it the equal distance apart. But if you're trying to do something and you Control D it, and you move it over here, and then you Control D it, it puts it the same distance apart way over here, and you might not want that. So that's Control D, which stands for Control Duplicate. The other one is Control C. I'm going to click on this, Control C, and I'm going to move it over. See it? And then I'm going to Control V, which paste it back where it was. Or, you can do the same thing. We can go Control C, Control V, and it put a duplicate right on top of it. And the third one that's pretty cool when you're trying to move stuff is your right-hand mouse button up top by the wheel. So if we grab this with the holding down the right mouse button, and then when we let go, it's going to ask us, do we want to move it here or do we want to copy it here? So I could take this one holding down my right mouse button, and when I let go, I'm going to go move it here. It moved it from there. It didn't make a copy. So if I want to right click, let me get off there, right click and move it up here. As soon as I let go, I want to copy it here. This is pretty cool when you're doing stuff and you want to copy it like right there, and you go copy here. So I use all 5 of them. I probably Control D the most, and then I've started using the plus key more. Control C, that's a 2-letter, 2-keystroke. Now you can also go to edit, and those are up here. Now they're not highlighted because I don't have a item selected, but if I select an item and go up to edit, there is Control C and Control V, and actually Control X if we wanted to cut it and then paste it somewhere else. Let's say we don't want that item there. I can go Control X and cut it out, and then take it over here and go Control V, and Control V and paste it. So I don't have that same, I don't have another copy of it. I've never really used that, but it is available. So think about the 5 ways to duplicate an object. Any object, it'll do this too. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.